Hello from Gardening at Douentza here in Ireland, and welcome to the greenhouse at the most horrible, dismal time of year. It's late January now, and there really isn't any saving grace for the greenhouse at this time of year, except of course this beautiful sunny Clivia. Well, despite it being the middle of miserable winter, let's have a quick look inside the greenhouse and see if there's anything else that can brighten our day. So here I am out in the greenhouse, and this is kind of an impromptu visit because what happened was I had to come out and take some photographs for an overdue article I'm writing. And since I was out here, I thought, oh look, the Veltheimia is coming into flower, and oh look, the paper whites are coming into flower, so I will just make a bit of a video. Of course, when I came out here to take the photos with the big camera, the first thing that happened when I got out here was that I found the camera battery was flat, and yeah, just miserable. And of course, I'm not feeling the best either, as you can tell from my voice. So when you're a bit down, all of these things kind of just stack up against you, really. Okay, so I wanted to show you just these few things in flower here in the greenhouse, on the shelf and the staging, and the Veltheimia. 4 glorious spikes coming. Can't wait until they are open fully. Such a reliable, wonderful plant, the Veltheimia, with these gorgeous wavy leaves that earn their place in any collection even before the flowers come, and the flowers always come so strong and sturdy and reliably. I love reliable flowers, really, really do. So I wanted to show you that, and then we just move up here, I guess, to the paper whites, these daffodils that are grown for their scent, and a tender daffodil, and they're just coming into flower. Now I don't get any scent yet, but as you can tell from my voice, my head is pretty blocked up just at the moment, but I imagine it'll come out soon, because I've seen these in friends' houses and the scent can be quite overpowering, but it's really nice, really pretty little daffodils, and I can't wait till we have the whole of these 4 bulbs in full flower. There's the Scilla that you saw me buy at the Johnstown get-together, and Aloe variegata is just coming into flower there, see? The Cyclamen are going past their best by, and oh yeah, the other thing I wanted to show you really is, this is a bit of a sad story now. If you go down here and look at these pots of tulips that I planted a while ago, and can you see what's happening there? Mice came in and dug up the tulips and ate them. Remember, they'd already been eating them here in the greenhouse. I mean, you know, it's a greenhouse in the country, they're going to be mice. Yeah, so we put down mouse killer, and yeah, well, I still have some bulbs left in that pot, and if we have a look over, they didn't seem to bother with that one. That's the Rembrandt tulips. And let's have a look over the other side. And here are the 4 over the other side. They had to go with this one, but that's coming up good. That's been nibbled. Yeah, you have to live with these things. There's no point in breaking your heart over everything that goes wrong. And just while we're in the greenhouse, quick look at the Protea. That flower coming. This one doesn't seem to be doing so great. What's exactly the matter with it, I don't know. That one's good. Oh, and yeah, I must bring you down to the orchid table, because if I do a video of the greenhouse without showing the Cymbidiums, my name will be mud. And you can see that the yellow one is doing really well. I staked it, but they need tying into the stake again. Doing really, really well. With all those, was it 7 spikes we counted. Now I'm not going to turn it around because the spikes are so advanced now I might well break them off if I do that. But it's shaping up to look like a good flowering, which is great. I just wish I can enjoy it. And over here in this corner is my Sparrmannia. And last time we looked, we saw that this cluster of flowers was in full flower. It's gone now, and we have new buds. But over here, this one is open. So pretty. So pretty. And Boo Boo says goodbye from the greenhouse. So thanks very much for watching. This was a really short video, I know, but well, needs must. Okay, thanks for everything, and check back for lots more gardening stuff. Bye.